Hi, I'm Jacqueline Hetherington, the Resident Life Coordinator of Mary Star of the Sea. Here we have 147 residents, and I oversee the 3 RAs that live in the building. We are right across from campus and only 6 minutes away from Panther Dining. Please come in and let me show you more about Mary Star. Bedrooms in Mary come with a full set of furniture, including an extra long full bed, desk, chair, closet, and 2 3-drawer dressers. Every bedroom also has cable television and a phone jack too if you're planning on bringing your own TV and telephone. You're seeing one of our 4-bedroom apartments. We also have 2-bedroom and 1-bedroom apartments available for those who want more privacy. Each apartment has a kitchen with an oven, refrigerator, and dishwasher. Our living rooms come fully furnished with a couch, chair, coffee table, and TV stand. Wi-Fi is provided in all rooms as well as cable in case you want to unwind after a long day of classes. Every 2 bedrooms share a bathroom. This includes a double vanity sink, which is separate from their shower, as well as plenty of cabinet space. We have a small lounge where residents can hang out, watch TV, or even play Xbox. Many of our students enjoy their new home away from home and build new friendships that will last a lifetime. If you have any additional questions about housing, please contact Campus Services.